Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making potato, broccoli, and sausage skillet. Alright guys, I'm starting out here. I made a box of scalloped potatoes according to the directions on the box. Well, I mixed it together. I didn't cook it yet, I just brought it up to a boil. Now I have a ring of kielbasa sausage here. This is pre-cooked. I'm going to add that in. I sliced up. And I'm going to add in a quarter of a cup of salsa. You can use any type you like. This is just mild. And I'm going to eyeball this, guys. Dexter, there's something dripping. I'm going to mix that together. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this and I'm going to allow it to simmer for about 20 minutes, going in occasionally and stirring it. And I think I'm going to add just a little more sauce in there, guys. Okay, that was good. Alright guys, now that my 20 minutes are up, I'm going to add in some frozen broccoli florets. I'm going to add in 2 cups. Now this is a 12-ounce package. Like I said, these are frozen. So I'm going to add about a pack and a half in. And if you like, you can go ahead and add both packs in. That would be fine. But I'm just going to go for a pack and a half. I'm going to stir my broccoli in there. Now I'm going to cover this up and I'm going to allow this to simmer for 8 minutes more until my broccoli is thawed and tender. And by that time the potatoes will be fully cooked through also. Alright guys, this is done. Now when you give it that 8 minutes for your broccoli, wait till it comes up to a simmer before you start your 8 minutes or the broccoli won't be done. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to start with that potato there. They're really tender. They picked up a good flavor of that kielbasa sausage. Now if you don't like kielbasa, you can use any kind of sausage you like. Kielbasa, well, it's already cooked, but has that nice smoky kielbasa flavor. Try some broccoli. Broccoli's cooked through. It isn't soggy or limp. That's really good, guys, and it was really easy. One pot, not a lot of cleanup. Alright, there you have it. Potato, broccoli, and sausage skillet. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.